Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. We have another extreme sell-off and the price action is dropped from $35,500 to approximately $30,000. And here we also have this horizontal support at $31,000. And so far the price action is not able to close below this $31,000. And we can see that whenever the price action is reaching close to this level, it is moving to the upside from here. And we are also having a resistance, the price level resistance at $39,500, and the price action is not able to break out this level here. Once the price action for a while broke out this resistance, but while retesting this previous resistance as a support, the price action failed and moved down back. So we are having a kind of parallel channel here. But at the same time, the price action has also found this resistance, this downtrend line resistance here. And we can see that while moving here between this resistance and support of $39,500 to $31,000, the price action is also getting rejected by this resistance of the descending triangle as well. However, we are having more touches at the resistance of this price level, $39,500, and we are also having more touches at the resistance of this descending triangle as well. Let me count it for you. For example, if we take a look at that, how many touches we have at this level, that $39,500 price level resistance, then we have one touch here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, or approximately 10 touches. And if we take a look at the support of $31,000, that is our horizontal support, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 touches. And if we take a look at the resistance of this downtrend line, then how many touches we have here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. Let me place this trend line more accurate to count the touches and to show you very well. Now we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and approximately 8 touches we have at the resistance of this descending triangle. So we are having more test of the resistance of this price level resistance and this resistance of the descending triangle, and less touches here at the support. And the more we will retest any support or resistance, the more there will be chances to break out that resistance or break down the support. And now if we place the volume profile on the complete price action that I have been showing in my previous videos as well, moving within this triangle, even from here when we found this support here, then we can see that we have very weak interest of the traders here, and we have interest of the traders here and weak interest of the traders above this level, that is the tail of this triangle. So this is the area where we have the strong interest of the traders, and these are the areas where we have the weak interest of the traders. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving in this area, you can see that the price action is moving to the upside, and these wicks of the candlesticks are showing the weakness of the bears in this area. For example, we have a weak candlestick here, like here we had an extreme sell-off with a powerful sell volume, but when the price action moved in this area, we had a very weak wick of this candlestick. Then we have another wick and another wick here, and when the price action again moved here, we had powerful buying here, and now again the price action is moved here. And look at this point of control of the volume profile. It's continuously moving to the upside. You can see that it is more closer to this resistance and far from this support of $31,000, and also above this resistance of the descending triangle as well from this downtrend line support. That is indicating that the price action can move up to this level very easily. Therefore, we can expect another bounce. However, if I zoom this chart out, by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon. If you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Okay, I'm just going to zoom this chart out. Then we can see that here we had the low at $28,800. This was the low back in January. And now if we take a look at the current situation, then after January 2021, the price action has again retested here this previous low of $28,800. Therefore, this level is very critical. This is our key level support from $31,000 to $28,800. Therefore, on the long term, we should be looking at the closing of the candlesticks. If it will be closed below this level, then the situation can be critical and the price action can move to the downside. However, at this time, on the daily time frame chart, I'm showing you this situation that we have the trader's interest not being developed below this level, and the candlesticks, the wicks of the candlesticks are showing us a real story. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving at this level, it is getting bounced to the upside, and we are very close to the end of this triangle. For example, if I place this measurement tool from this current candlestick up to this end of the triangle, then we can see that the price action can further move its movement in this triangle approximately for 19 days next. But it is also possible that the price action will soon break out the resistance of the triangle, as the point of control of the volume profile is showing us that we have the trader's interest above the resistance of the triangle. Even though we also have a head and shoulder pattern on this chart, like we have this left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. However, the volume profile is showing us the different story, that we are not having the trader's interest close to this support that is very strong. And whenever the price action is moving here, we can see that these wicks of the candlesticks are showing us the real story, that here the bears are very weak. And if we take a look at the volume, here I have also placed this volume indicator as well, then we can see that the volume is decreased. And even though we had the selling today and yesterday as well, but you can see that the sell volume is not as that much powerful like we had previous. If we want to see that how much this sell volume powerful is, for that I have also placed this volume oscillator here as well. And we can see that here previously we had the buying volume, and the value of the oscillator, here you can watch the values, was 12. And here we also had another buying volume while the price action was at this support of $31,000 on 22nd of June. And we can see the value of the buying volume was more than 17. On the daily time frame chart, if it is more than 10, that is considered as a powerful buying or sell volume. Now we can see that here we also had the sell. Price action moved at the support, but the oscillator is moving down, not to the upside. Therefore, it is showing that the bears are weak at this level. And if we take a look at the MACD indicator, then we can see that the MACD is also in the uptrend. That is also a positive thing. So far so good. We are moving very well between the resistance and the support on the daily time frame chart, between this descending triangle, and also between this support of $31,000 to $39,500. That is our key level resistance at this time. Once the price action will be able to break out this resistance of the triangle, then it will be also able to break out this $39,500 resistance level as well. Then we can expect another very big move to the upside. However, this level is very important. The price action should be above on the weekly time frame chart this level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.